My friends, thanks for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to turn the focus of this video around on you. This video is going to be all about you. I sit here in every single video and share who I am with you. And now that I'm actually vlogging, you're going to be able to see a different side of me. So I was thinking about my channel and transitioning different things into it, and I thought, I need to think about who my audience is. So that's what I want to know, my friends. Who are you? I don't want to know what you think about me or if you like my lipstick today or anything like that. I want to know who you are. And what I would like you to do is in the comments, tell me who you are. I don't care if you write me a book. I don't care. Go as long as YouTube will allow you to write an answer. I want to know who you are. So I thought to make it easy for some of you, I would give you a couple of questions for you to answer. It's not a test, my friends, and you can say anything you want and you can answer any way you choose, all right? The sun is going behind the clouds, so I guess the sun is answering me right now and saying, did you think you were going to get a perfect video? No, you're not. So here we go, my friends. Who are you? What do you do? Do you work or are you retired? Do you exercise? Are you healthy? Do you eat right? Or do you live in pain every single day? And how do you deal with your pain? Do you like makeup? Do you like skincare? Do you like taking care of your hair? Do you like to pamper yourself? Is it important to you? Are you crafty? Are there hobbies that make you really happy? Do you knit? Do you crochet? Do you read books? Do you bake? Do you cook? What brings you joy in your free time? Are you single? Are you married? Are you divorced? Have you been hurt to your core? Have you learned how to let go of the anger, or do you allow it to eat you alive? Do you forgive in your life? Forgiveness, I know, is the only thing that truly sets us free. How do you handle hurt and pain? Who are you, my friends? What matters most to you in your life? And what are you willing to do to have that in your life? What makes you tick, my friends? What makes you tick? How has the whole process of aging affected you in your life? Are you an animal person, cat, dog? Have you found your soulmate in life? Are you a sugar addict like me? Do you overeat? Are you lazy? Do you make excuses? Who are you, my friends? Who are you? What food do you absolutely despise? Me? It's cilantro. Yeah, I don't like it at all. What about you? All right, my friends, so that is it for today's video. Who are you? I want to know. Go out in the world and be lovable, my friends. I love you all. Bisous.